Hey Dad, I'm writing this crowdfunding pitch. What does Persian food mean to you?
It's all about making memories. I remember sitting at home in our garden in Tehran, waiting for friends and family to come for a big feast. The sweet smell of jasmine, the sound of trickling water from our fountain, this aroma of Mami Azami's cooking. Nad, you're not writing this down?
We deliver delicious frozen Persian meals straight to your door from our award-winning chef,
That's me.
who's worked in top kitchens around the world.
Have you told him I work with Raymond?
He's even worked for Raymond Blanc.
Our meals are blast frozen straight after cooking, locking in all their freshness and ensuring the best possible experience when you heat them up at home. This also means that we don't have to add any nasty additives or preservatives to our dishes.
And it's delivered in sugarcane packaging, which is biodegradable and recyclable.
When we started Modern Persian Kitchen in 2019, our simple goal was to make people fall in love with our delicious food, taste and culture of Iran, and to become the go-to brand for our cuisine. To do that, we've created a variety of meat and plant-based dishes alongside gluten and dairy-free options. All packed full of aromatic flavors to give you that takeaway treat feeling without cheating your diet or your wallet.
Increasingly, people are looking for a more convenient way to eat well. The frozen food market is growing by 8.8% annually, and the UK food to go sector is set to reach £23.4 billion by 2024.
Our first couple of years in this market have been a booming success with over 21,000 meals sold, 452% revenue growth from year 1 to year 2, a global network of over 14,000 social media followers, and 95% 5-star rating on Trustpilot.
So where do we go from here? With your investment, we hope to upscale our kitchen, expand our operation and hire new staff. A significant proportion of the investment will also go into marketing and advertising, PR, refer a friend schemes and paid product placements.
This will allow us to branch out into recipe kits, wholesale to small independents, brand partnerships, cooking classes, events, catering, cookbooks, supper clubs and more. Now let's hear from some customers, shall we?
A brilliant selection of classic Persian dishes, all delivered straight to your door.
The food is absolutely delicious. I hadn't really experienced Persian food before I found Modern Persian Kitchen, and now I'm a total convert. I'm just totally in love with it. The flavours are amazing.
We love Modern Persian Kitchen. The food is delicious and it's just so convenient.
These products were just like the answer to my prayers.
Food has always played a huge role in our lives. We want to share the delight of Persian cuisine with as many people as possible. We want you to join our growing family as we take our next step towards becoming the Persian kitchen for the whole of UK.